This is Steve Young from Gourmet Cheesecakes. This video is going to be about topping multiple cakes out of a single bucket of sour cream. I have 3 pounds of sour cream in here for the cheesecakes. I'm going to drop this topping about halfway between the soft centers and towards the done edge, so a fairly firm part of the cake. The important part of doing this is to not let the sour cream drop straight down on the cake, because it could crater the soft surface of the cake. So I'm going to pour it over my spatula to soften the fall. So here we go, and I'm going to split it up between 3 cakes. Don't worry about that phone ringing in the background. Hopefully it's a customer. Just eyeballing this. Once you have some on all 3 of them, then you go back and proportion it with what you have left between the ones that might be have a little less on them. Notice how far I have this bucket turned over. You don't want to tip it over much farther than that. You don't want the blade to fall out of this bucket into the top of your cake, because it will form it'll mess up the top of your cake. You also do not want to shake these, because it will cause your sour cream to wick up the side of your spring form and make a jagged edge. So there we go. These go back in for about 4 minutes and it will set that sour cream topping. It does not need to be cooked. Thank you for watching this video.